Welcome to another insightful discussion. Today's topic, Bitcoin security. We're discussing potential threats, including Sybil and 51% attacks, which could undermine my mess. We'll also cover the potential influence of future quantum computing developments. Although these topics sound complex, break them down for clear understanding. So stay tuned as into these fascinating aspects of Bitcoin's security. Bitcoin boasts robust security, but it isn't impervious to potential threats. To understand this, we delve into how Bitcoin ensures safety. The proof-of-work mechanism is vital to its defense, with miners solving complex problems to verify transactions, integrating them into the blockchain. This deters malicious acts. Bitcoin also involves monitoring with validating and circulating transactions, ensuring only legitimate ones enter the blockchain. Moreover, elliptic curve cryptography, or ECC, strengthens Bitcoin transactions by creating secure digital signatures. These confirm the transaction source, providing an extra safeguard. The is intricate, aiming to strike balance between security and access. But as with any system, it has its weak points. So Bitcoin does provide robust security, but it's not without its vulnerabilities. Two major threats to Bitcoin security are Sybil and 51% attacks. Let's discuss Sybil. Sybil attacks first. In this scenario, an aggressor generates numerous phony identities, akin to a tainted voting process where one individual craftily creates fictitious identities to cast votes in their favor. These counterfeit identities give them an undue edge, causing turmoil in the entire system. Now let's shift our focus to 51% attacks. Here, an entity gains control over the lion's share of the computational capability within the Bitcoin network. This majority control allows them the liberty to maneuver the blockchain, potentially resulting in double spending and significant reorganization within the blockchain. However, Bitcoin isn't left entirely in the lurch. It has preventive measures to counteract these perils. Bitcoin's proof of work, combined with continuous network surveillance, acts as a stronghold against these threats, ensuring the system's security. It's important to remember that while Sybil and 51% attacks pose significant challenges, they not mark the downfall of Bitcoin. This is a testament to Bitcoin's resilience and its ability to adapt and innovate in the face of emerging threats. Quantum computing, a future technological advancement, could potentially pose a threat to Bitcoin. This groundbreaking tech, due to its superior speed, might challenge Bitcoin's security. Quantum computers solve complex mathematical problems faster, potentially breaking the elliptical curve cryptography, ECC. If ECC is compromised, a quantum computer may gain access to sensitive transaction details and private keys, endangering Bitcoin's blockchain. Despite Bitcoin being under threat, it is not unprepared. Efforts are underway to reinforce defenses against quantum attacks. The introduction of robust curve selection and multi-signature schemes are part of these strategies. These mechanisms make transactions harder for a single party to control, but also boost resistance to quantum assaults. Therefore, even with the potential threat of quantum computing looming, Bitcoin is not defenseless. We've covered quite a bit today, so let's quickly recap. We explored Bitcoin's security, its proof of work, and network monitoring. These mechanisms protect the currency from threats like Sybil and 51% attacks. These attacks could result in double spending and blockchain reorganization. However, Bitcoin's security measures, especially its use of elliptic curve cryptography and robust curve selection, act as strong defenses. We also discussed the potential threat from quantum computing and how Bitcoin is preparing with multi-signature schemes. Other defenses are continuously being developed to improve Bitcoin's resilience. Bitcoin's security is solid, but it's important to stay updated about potential threats. The world of cryptocurrencies is always evolving, and staying informed is our best defense. Thank you for tuning, and until next time, stay safe in the world of cryptocurrencies.